Thank you for buying this folding duffel bag from Fixture Displays. The part number is 15700 and it folds up really small, 12 by 12 by 2 inches. So folds up really small and weighs 1.7 pounds only. This gives you the possibility to carry something really light on your way out on your trip, but in return you can fold it up, unfold, and set up to a very large carrying duffel bag. Come with a hanging hook, allow you to organize and hang when not in use. Now we're going to set it up. Once we unzip, it becomes a full-length, full-size duffel bag, and left to right give you 27 inches, and the width or depth give you 12.6 inches, and the height 15.8 inches. This duffel bag holds 65 liters or about 17 gallons of capacity, and there are a number of features that are very desirable in addition to lightweight and foldable features. The fabric is polyester fabric and with the nylon reinforced belts. And there's a zipper pocket on the end, and on the side there's another zipper pocket. Good sized pockets, by the way. And there is an open pocket as well. Now on the other end has a hidden compartment. It's meant for a separate article, such as a pair of shoes that you want to keep separate from the rest of your personal belongings. Now behind this zipper pocket is a carry-on bag feature, allow you to hook up to your luggage. We're going to demonstrate shortly. This is how it works. So from a 12 by 12 by 2, 1.7 pounds foldable bag all the way to a full-size extended duffel bag, this is a great product to add to your traveling portfolio. You can carry with the handle or shoulder strap, adjustable to desired length. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. There's an additional pocket on the inside as well. You can keep your valuable, and this is where the hidden compartment is. Encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Like us, subscribe to be informed of other new products and services we have to offer. Encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com and find out other travel and gift items, along with a number of business items and home decoration items. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.